Good afternoon or good morning, wherever you're at, YouTube viewers. This is Larry coming at you live over here in Westlake, Texas. We're going to cover a topic. It's kind of like an extension of the last video. Hope you took the time to stop and look at it. It was a comparison of two different solar panels, a Jinko and a Trina Solar. And we was working with a WVC-600, and we could not get both panels to run on that one micro inverter. So what we're going to do is we got another WVC-300. And we're going to put that on one, but we also got one of these. Let's see here. Let me look at this piece of paper here. DIN rail single phase electronic energy meters. And I want to see if I can put that thing, coming out of that solar panel and see what it's actually doing. Get a better view of what's producing what and how it's producing. But I'm not sure how it's going to work out, but we're going to try it anyway. I got my old sombrero on here. That old skin got a little cancer already. Done had it burned off a couple of times, and we're trying to protect it. The wife gets on me if she don't see me with this old sombrero on here. But it's about 101 degrees out there right now, and sun is just beating down on us. So we're gonna take a run out there and kind of show you what we're trying to put together, and hopefully we can make some sense of what we're trying to do. Now there is some background noise. And if you watch my video, know there's going to be some noise. We're sitting out there right by this highway. Dogs are barking a little bit in the yard, and man, there ain't much I can do about that. We was living up there in East Texas, in the middle of them big old pine forests, and it was kind of peaceful and quiet. But once I got that COVID back in January, I decided to move back home. So we're back here in South Texas on the Mexican border, and we're doing the best we can with what we got. So let's get on the topic. Enough of rambling on. You know how us old men get. We get to yakking, we don't know how to shut up. All right, let's get to the project. Well, this is what we're working on. Two solar panels, one 305 watt Jinko and one 290 watt Trina Solar. As stated in the earlier part of the video, we couldn't really get both of these panels to run on that WVC-600. So now what we did was we put another WVC-300 in there, and it looks like it's searching, but it found its signal. But it's searching on and off, so not sure if there's any fault there or not. And then we've got the cords running out. That one over there is independently running to the grid inside. And then over here, this one's coming out of the 300. It's running down here. Yeah, it's going right over here. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to read that. Hopefully you can. Let's see if I can pull it out a little bit of sun. See if that helps. There you go. It's a DIN rail meter. Now we got the ground just bypassed to the side temporarily. We got the two wires coming in it, neutral and live. Neutral and live going out the other side, and we're able to see what that solar panel is actually putting out. And if you look at it, you see it's 202.9 watts. Kilowatt hours is 0.3. We just plugged it in. 114.4 volts, 1.6 amps, 203 watts, which that's going to fluctuate. So hopefully this will give us a little idea of what that panel is putting out, and then we'll be able to compare it to this other one we have over here, the WVC-600. Now it's on one of these Sinotimers. Let me go inside and we'll look at what that one's putting out. You can see the orientation of both panels is pretty much getting all the sun they can get. Now keep in mind that meter is one that's going to be mounted on a DIN rail. It'll be inside in an area out of the dust, out of the sun, everything else when it's properly mounted. Alright, this is the WVC-600. That one is tied to the Jinko 305 watt solar panel. Let's see if we can get you some numbers on that one. 24.1 watts on the low side, 225.7 watts on the high side, 0 at that 212.4 watts currently being produced 110 or 1.100 kilowatt hours. And this is the timer. It's been running 5 hours and 28 minutes. 119.3 volts running the inverter from the power. 1.884 amps. Now this is a Sinotimer. Like I said, I've used it in the last video, and I wanted to compare it to the actual meter that I ran directly in line out there. Well guys, I hope that shed a little light on the situation. I'm going to try to do a little bit more with these meters and gauges and power supplies and all this other stuff. I like playing around and tinkering with this crap. I'm no wizard, I'm no guru, I'm no professional. We got a lot of AC noise behind us, but we got to have that AC. Now don't be looking up there at my clock up there, my snap-on clock. I see you trying to look around top of my head there. I had her since 1999 when I started mechanicking. 57 of them clocks. Kept the very first one and gave the rest to my friends. Alright guys, stay tuned for some more of my crazy videos. We're going to get this one in the works and get it out there so y'all can see it. If there's anything you'd like me to post a video on, let me know. Just drop me a message down there. Holler out at me. I'll try to figure something out for you. Hit the like, subscribe button. We'll see y'all in our next video. Y'all have a good day. God bless and thank you. Alright, let me throw in a joke of the day for you. A bear walks into a bar and says, "Give me a whiskey and a cola." And there's a little pause, you know. And then all of a sudden, "Why the big pause?" asked the bartender. The bear shrugged. "I'm not sure. I was born with them." Hit the like, subscribe button, people. We need all the help we can get. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll have another joke at the end of that one too. See you later.